In a quiet valley between two mountains, a narrow stone path led to a beautiful village. One day, two travelers met in the middle of that path, one coming from the east and the other from the west. The path was so narrow that only one could pass at a time. The first traveler, a young man in fine clothes, said proudly, "Step aside. I am on an urgent mission for the king." The other traveler, an old man with a walking stick, smiled calmly and said, "My journey is long too, young man, but my legs are not as strong as yours." The young man frowned. "I don't have time to wait for old people," he said sharply. He tried to push forward, but the path was too tight. The old man stood firm. For a moment, they glared at each other, both refusing to move, until a cold wind swept through the valley. The young man's foot slipped on a loose stone, and he nearly fell down the cliff. Quickly, the old man reached out and grabbed his arm, saving him from the fall. Breathing hard, the young man looked into the old man's eyes. "You saved me," he whispered. The old man smiled gently. "Pride makes us blind, son, but respect clears the way." He stepped aside slowly, and the young traveler bowed with gratitude. They both crossed safely, each carrying a new lesson in their heart. Moral of the story: respect is not about age or strength. It's about wisdom and heart.